Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two fantastic mirrorless cameras. The powerful Canon EOS R6 Mark II with RF 24 to 105mm f4 LUSM lens kit and the budget-friendly Canon EOS R100. Let's see which one is the right fit for you. Let's kick things off with price. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II comes in at a hefty $3,599, making it a premium choice for serious photographers. Reviewers have noted that it's worth every penny for its performance and reliability, especially for professional use. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 is much easier on the wallet at $829. Users have praised it as a great introductory camera for those new to photography, which makes it a solid option for casual shooters looking to capture quality moments without breaking the bank. Moving on to image quality, the R6 Mark II shines with its *24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor delivering stunning images even in challenging conditions. Reviewers have raved about its exceptional image quality, particularly for wedding photography, capturing every detail beautifully. In contrast, the R100 features a *24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. While it produces good images for casual use, some users feel it may not match the sharpness and depth of the R6 Mark II, especially in low-light scenarios. Overall, the R6 Mark II is the clear winner here for those seeking top-notch image quality. Let's discuss ISO range next. The R6 Mark II offers an impressive ISO range of *100 102,400 expandable to *204,800 which allows for outstanding performance in low light. Reviewers have highlighted this feature for its ability to shoot in dimly lit environments, making it perfect for events like weddings. In comparison, the R100 has a more basic ISO range, which, while decent, may leave users wanting more when shooting in darker conditions. This makes the R6 Mark II the better choice for low-light photography. Next up is continuous shooting speed. The R6 Mark II can fire off *12 frames per second, with the mechanical shutter, and an amazing *40 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Reviewers have lauded its speed, especially during action shots. The R100, however, can only manage *6.5 FPS which is suitable for casual shooting but may not satisfy those looking to capture fast action. Clearly, the R6 Mark II takes the crown here for speed lovers. On to autofocus. The R6 Mark II is equipped with *1053 AF zones offering advanced tracking capabilities for various subjects. Reviewers have praised its fast and reliable autofocus, making it an excellent choice for dynamic environments. The R100, with its *143 AF zones is more basic and primarily focuses on faces. While it works well for simple portraits, it may struggle with fast-moving subjects. Thus, the R6 Mark II is the better option for those needing robust autofocus. In summary, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is celebrated for its exceptional performance, versatility, and image quality, making it a favorite among professionals. Conversely, the Canon EOS R100 is appreciated for its affordability and user-friendly features, ideal for beginners. Each camera has its strengths, catering to different photography needs. Thanks for watching. Which camera do you prefer? The powerhouse R6 Mark II or the budget-friendly R100? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description for more information. Until next time, happy shopping!